no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the.
Hey loves, welcome back. So today's video I wanted to show you some new hair that I got from SVT hair. I actually have their Brazilian straight hair in the lengths 18, 20, 20 with an 18-inch closure. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I made the wig as well as how I styled it, also my initial review on this hair, then definitely keep watching this video. So pretty much this is exactly how the hair came packaged to me. It comes in its individual bag with the SVT logo on it. Inside they did give me 3 bundles as well as a closure, and I'll show you guys exactly how the hair looks straight out of the packaging. The one thing that I noticed about this hair is it is really soft. So initially taking the hair out of the packaging, I did not notice any type of smell or odor. When I ran my fingers through the hair, I didn't come up with any snags or tingling, and I also didn't see any type of shedding. So I did decide to make this wig using a hot glue gun. I'll insert a clip and show you guys exactly how I applied or made the unit onto a dome cap using the hot glue gun method. And then another thing that I will be showing you guys is exactly how I styled it. I pretty much wanted some very bouncy curls, so I decided to use my curling wand. This hair takes very well to heat. I had no issues with that. My curling wand, I did use it on a 410 degree setting, and I wrapped the hair around the curling wand, and then I pinned it in place with some duck clips, and I let the hair sit and cool off, and then I applied some holding spray. And you guys will see towards at the end of the video exactly how bouncy and voluminous these curls came out. But I did want to tell you guys a little bit more details about this hair and my experience with wearing it. Like I stated before, you guys, there was no smell or odor. I've been wearing this hair for about a week now, and I still do not experience any tangling. I do experience a little bit of shedding, but it is not too much to complain about because all hair sheds. I did go in and curl this hair, and as you guys see in the video, this hair is a Brazilian straight texture, but when I did go in and shampoo and condition the hair, once I let the hair air dry on its own, I did get sort of a wave pattern with this hair, which was pretty okay with me. I did not see any issues with that. I did like the wave pattern that I did get with this straight hair, and I did go in some more as I'm showing you guys and apply some curls to this hair. So yeah, you guys, this was a very super simple install as well as making of this unit using the SVT hair. I love the hair. I also love the fact that the closure, it was not too dense at all. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you guys again exactly how natural looking their closure looks. I did not bleach the knots, if you guys are wondering. I didn't bleach the knots. I always go in with the face powder because this the lace closure, that's all it pretty much needed to make it look more realistic and more natural looking. But yeah, you guys, this, like I said, it's a really quick video, really quick review. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you guys are interested in SVT hair, I will put all the information in the description box. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.
Place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody take nothing. Yeah.